No, 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 no.
Mention it's correctable with the stretch tires. You're gonna take them off anyways. So
Yeah.
This should be an easy fix. You know how to take care of a fix ticket? You can ask for an officer to do a sign off on a fix ticket.
Okay.
Look at it, turn the signed copy in by mail or person to the Fresno Traffic Court. Dismiss the charge. After that, no court appearance necessary. Nothing showing on your record.
All right, cool.
The other option, of course, you could always contest it in traffic court. That's what I need the signature for in this box right here.
If I lie, bro, that's like, you know, I'm gonna look even dumber, you know?
Yeah, I know. I just
Really,
like to put it
nigga?
out there.
Back with another video. So if you gotten this far to the video, I'm gonna explain what had happened. So what happened was I was at a stop sign. I know he heard me. I know he wanted to pull me over, but instead of coming through my back entrance, I decided to park in the front. But you see that I got away. So I waited a few days. The next day I ended up switching the muffler, just the muffler. Sound a little bit more quieter, not as loud. So, you know, today I actually seen him, and I seen him twice. The first time he wanted to go pull over somebody else, and I'm like, okay, I better get home before he catches me. Then I had to go run a quick errand, and on my way back from running the errand, I seen him coming, and I was like, oh shit, this motherfucker's gonna pull yo ass over. And I was like, and anywho, he ended up flipping it. I came to the light and I was about to go put gas, so I flipped it, and when I flipped it, he lit him up on me, and he was like, hey man, I pulled you over because of your tires. And I was like, which I knew that was like the most bullshit excuse ever. And then he goes, do you mind if I check under your hood? And I go, you know what, officer, I actually do mind if you check under my hood. Do you know what I'm saying? Even though I know I almost got state reffed, I literally got home and I put everything back stock. Yeah, anywho, but yeah, everything's stock. Yeah, so yeah, you know, car guys that backed me up and they let me go with the fix-it ticket. So apparently my tires are too thin, but it's okay though. I'm gonna slap on my winter wheels and I'm go get the ticket signed off, done and over. Then I'll put my rims back on, simple as that. Come on, bro, I just put these tires on. I'm not gonna let my tires go to waste. The cop was pretty cool, but still, come on, bro, you should be out there fighting crime. Or whoever's watching, I appreciate it. Hopefully I get to make more videos in the future. Peace.